In today's video, we're going to walk you through a simple and easy guide on how to create an Instagram account. Whether you're just starting with Instagram or helping a friend set one up, this tutorial has everything you need to get started. We'll take you step by step from downloading the app to creating and customizing your new account. Let's dive in. Before we jump into the steps, let's quickly cover why Instagram is a must-have app. Instagram allows you to connect with friends, family, influencers, and businesses around the world through photos, videos, and stories. Whether it's your daily routine, a special event, or creative content, Instagram lets you share your life with others. Discover new trends, follow hashtags, and find content that matches your interests in areas like fashion, fitness, photography, travel, and more. Now that you know why Instagram is such a powerful platform, let's get started with creating your account. Follow these easy steps to create an Instagram account. First, it is important to download the Instagram app on your device. Open the App Store for iPhone users or Google Play Store for Android users. In the search bar, type Instagram and tap Search. Once you find the Instagram app, tap Get or Install to download it. Once the app has been downloaded, tap Open to launch Instagram. On the welcome screen, you'll see options to log in or create new account. Since we're creating a new account, tap Create New Account. Now tap on the Get Started button. Instagram offers a few different ways to sign up. You can create an account using your email address, phone number, or even your Facebook account. Let's break it down. Sign up with email or phone number. If you prefer using your phone or email, select the Sign up with phone or email option. Enter your phone number or email, and then tap Next. Instagram will send you a confirmation code via SMS or email, which you'll need to enter to verify your account. Let's see it in action. I will select the option to sign up with email, so I will tap on Sign up with email. I will write my email and tap Next. Write the confirmation code received on your phone or email and tap Next. After verifying your email or phone number, it's time to create a username and password. Create a strong password to protect your account. Instagram recommends using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for extra security. You can save your login info for an easier login. I suggest tapping on Save, but if somebody else is using this device also, you can tap Not Now. Instagram will ask for your date of birth to confirm you meet the age requirement. You must be at least 13 years old to create an account. After entering your birth date, tap Next. Enter your full name or the name you want to appear on your profile. This name will be visible to others but doesn't have to be your real name. Choose a username that represents you or your brand and tap Next. If the username is used, you can try to find alternatives to that username. You need to agree with Instagram policies. Tap Agree. Tap Add Picture to upload a photo from your phone's gallery or take a new one with your camera. This is your first chance to personalize your account, so choose a picture that represents you well. Instagram will ask you to get access to your contacts. If you want this, you can tap on Next, but I will skip this step. You can also get Facebook suggestions. I will tap on Skip. You can remember the login to make it easier to get into your account. Tap on Remember. Instagram will suggest friends to follow, or people based on your phone contacts or Facebook connections or important people. You can also search for friends manually by typing their names or usernames into the search bar. Tap Follow next to the accounts you want to follow. Congratulations! You've successfully created your Instagram account. But what if you run into any issues while setting up your Instagram account? Here are a few quick solutions. Forgot your password? If you forget your password during the setup process, tap Forgot Password on the login screen. Follow the steps to reset it via your email or phone. Can't sign up with your email or phone? Make sure you're entering the correct phone number or email address. Double-check that there are no typos and that you're using an active email or phone number. App not working properly? If Instagram isn't working properly, try restarting the app or checking your internet connection. You can also update the app via the App Store or Google Play Store. And that's it. You've successfully created your very own Instagram account. Now you can start sharing, exploring, and connecting with others. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.